Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Ayan, and today I am going to give you the description on COVID 19. So, let's start. Everything in the world was going in its routine. People were on their way to job and students were on the way to schools. Then suddenly a disaster came over that changed everything in the world, including business, economy, environment, education system, and more importantly, lives of people. The name of the dangerous disaster is COVID 19 coronavirus. What is coronavirus? The coronavirus family causes illnesses ranging from the common cold to more severe disease such as severe respiratory syndrome and Middle East respiratory syndrome. According to WHO, they circulate in animals and some can be transmitted between animals and humans. Several coronaviruses are circulating in animals that have not yet infected humans. The new coronavirus, the seventh known to affect humans, has been named COVID 19. Where did this virus came from? Now talking about where did it came from. So China alerted the WHO two cases of unusual phenomena in Wuhan on December 31, 2019. COVID-19 is thought to be have originated in a seafood market where wildlife was sold illegally. On Feb 7, 2019, Chinese researchers said the virus could have spread from infected animal to humans through illegally trafficked pangolins prized in Asia for food and medicine. Scientists have pointed to either bats or snakes as possible sources. What are symptoms of the COVID 19? Let's talk on symptoms of this deadly virus. Common signs of infection include fever, coughing, and breathing difficulties in several cases. It can cause pneumonia, multiple organ failure, and death. The incubation period of COVID 19 is thought to be between 1 and 14 days. It is contagious before symptoms appear, which is why so many people get infected. Infected patients can be symptomatic, meaning they do not display any symptoms despite having the virus in their system. As it can be said that the person who get infected should stay home and isolate himself for 14 days. How does this virus spread? Now coming on to how does it spread. So the coronavirus known as COVID-19 spreads from person to person in close proximity. Similar to the other respiratory illnesses such as the flu, droplets of bodily fluids such as saliva or mucus from an infected person are dispersed in the air or on surfaces by coughing or sneezing. These droplets can come into direct contact with other people or can infect those who pick them up by touching infected surfaces and then their face. How can you protect yourself? In terms of self protection and containing the virus, experts agree that it is important to wash your hands frequently and thoroughly with soap for at least 20 seconds. Cover your face with mask, cover your face with elbow and tissue when coughing or sneezing, and then drop that tissue in the bin. Keep social distancing from others and keep 6 feet distance from others. You should visit a doctor if you have symptoms and avoid direct contact with live animals in affected areas. Masks may provide some protection to you and others, but because they are loose and made up of permeable material, so droplets can still pass through. What is being done to stop virus? Now let's talk on what has been done to stop the spread of virus. So China and many countries have imposed lockdown, although this has not prevented the virus from spreading. As the number of confirmed cases continue to rise, many countries are taking drastic measures to stop the spread of. For example, lockdown, closing educational institutes, parks, and other public places. Many countries have closed borders with China, and others have banned entry to Chinese citizens. Person to person transmission has been confirmed in several countries. Will the vaccine of the virus become available? Moving on to regarding vaccine, the updates are even with the recent advances in medical technology, it's unlikely a vaccine could be available for mass distribution within a year. This means that public health measures to contain the spread will be crucial to contain the outbreak. Restrictions on movement will not stop the spread of the disease entirely but will slow its progress time by time. How serious is this deadly virus? Let's talk on that. How serious is the virus? On March 11, 2020, WHO confirmed the new coronavirus as pandemic. The infection is now more widespread than the SARS outbreak in 2002-3, which also originated in China. The WHO has designated the outbreak with its highest warning level. On Feb 10, 2020, a WHO-led team of investigators arrived in China to evaluate the situation in more detail. I will like to conclude with that this deadly virus has taken place all over the world. I will like to request everyone to stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself and your family to be safe from the virus. Each and everyone has to do this so we can defeat this ongoing pandemic together. Now we'll all let's hope that this virus gets over and dismissed soon, and that could only be possible if we follow the SOPs and pray to God so that we can get free from COVID-19 and could get back to our normal lives and lifestyles.